The Nairobi Commuter Rail network is part of Kenya Railways initiative to modernize and expand urban rail transport within Nairobi metropolitan area. The origin of Nairobi's railway system dates back to the construction of the Uganda Railways in 1896 to 1901, which established Nairobi as a key railway hub. Over time, commuter train services developed to serve the growing suburbs like Ruiru, Kikuyu, and Embakasi, providing an affordable transport alternative for the city workers. In 1990s, poor maintenance, lack of investment, and competition from matatus led to the decline of commuter rail services. In 2010, Kenya Railways, in partnership with the Government of Kenya, initiated the Nairobi Commuter Rail project to modernize and expand the network. In 2020, a major upgrade funded by Kenyan government and African Development Bank was launched, featuring new diesel multiple units known as DMUs, upgraded stations, and track rehabilitations. From 2020 to date, new trains have been introduced on routes such as the Nairobi-Syokimau, Embakasi, Ruiru, and Kikuyu. Currently, the construction of Riruta-Ngong line is underway, and today's video will give you the current construction updates. If you're here for the very first time, please consider subscribing, give this video a very big thumbs up, and let's do this. The Riruta-Ngong Commuter Railway line is a significant infrastructure project aimed at enhancing transportation within Nairobi and its neighboring regions. Commissioned on 15th December 2023 by the Kenyan President William Ruto, this 12.5-kilometer railway line is set to revolutionize transportation between Nairobi and Kajiado County. Now, when is the expected completion date of this ambitious project? So, initially planned for a 12-month completion period, this project was supposed to be complete in August 2024. But this didn't materialize after current residents raised concerns about potential environmental damage to the Ngong forest. This led to the installation of this project until late December 2025. Now, these aerial footages you're seeing here are the latest construction updates as at February 2025. Major developments are already taking shape and expected to be complete in January 2026. Significant work has been done on track installation, station building, and safety infrastructure. The goal is to ensure a smooth and modern commuter experience once the railway becomes operational. With estimated capacity of 10,000 passengers daily, this railway will significantly cut travel time between Ngong and Nairobi, reducing dependence on matatu and private vehicles. The Riruta-Ngong Commuter Railway line is more than just a transportation project. It is a game changer in the region, with constructions advancing rapidly. We are one step closer to a more efficient, affordable, and modern transportation. All said and done, allow me to show you the direction of the new Ngong station from Ngong town. If you're here for the very first time, you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Feel free to also become a member of this channel. By the way, when you become a member, you get to enjoy some of the perks that the channel offer. So without wasting much of your time, let's do this. Let's go.
Son of Dutch.
Alien. Excellent. I'm missing nothing with me now.
Ratazaga, whatever you do, Ratazaga. Ompana que le happy que marato, ompana que cloa que marato, le saca que marato, le ñoco que marato, le saca que marato, le ñoco que marato, warata orate zaga, warata orate rataño. Ompana que le happy que marato, ompana que cloa que marato, le saca que marato, le ñoco que marato.
Sema tanwe imalingeza njabule sema tanwe nina
Sema tanwe
imalingeza njabule